everyone, welcome back to my channel. You are English with Denton. In today's session, I'm going to give you a brief introduction on the partition literature because the next session that I'm going to deal is on the short story Lajwante by Rajinder Singh Beti, and it's very important to know the background information before we go on with the short story. The partition literature takes us back to the partition of India in 1947 when India became independent after 300 years. And the British led India by dividing the country into two independent dominant states, Pakistan and India. And thereby, Pakistan became a Muslim country and India became a Hindu majority and a secular country. It is very clear that the partition of India was based on two-nation theory, which was presented by Syed Ahmad Khan, and the partition happened due to religious issues, and the main spokesperson for the partition was Muhammad Ali Jinnah. The partition triggered riots, mass casualties, and a colossal wave of migration. Now, millions of people migrated from one place to another. Hindu in Pakistan, they moved from Pakistan to India, and Muslim in India, they moved from India to Pakistan. Now we can clearly see that there is a huge sense of loss of one's home, sense of belongingness, and also one's identity, because when we move from one place to another in search of peace, security, there is the loss of old sense. During the partition, apart from the religious issue, violence against women was an extensive issue, and it was estimated that between 75,000 to 1 lakh women were raped, kidnapped and abducted. Therefore, India and Pakistan later on worked together to repatriate the abducted women. The Muslim women were sent to Pakistan and the Sikh and the Hindu women were sent to India. Now, this is the scene that we can also see in the short story Lajwante that we are going to do in the next session. While reading the short story, I personally felt that women are unable to support one another, because when we are sharing the same situations, there are certain things that we need to understand. But when we are unable to understand and acknowledge the situation, it is one of the worst things that we can face the uncertain future and the obstacles that are on the way. Apart from the short story Lajwante, there are also novels which deals with the partition of India, and some of the novels that I have read under partition literature are, one of the most important one is Midnight Children by Salman Rushdie. The second one is Tamas by Bisham Sihani, and the third one is Sunlight on a Broken Column by Ade Hussain, and the fourth one Waiting for Mahatma by R.K. Narayan, and the fifth one is Train to Pakistan by Khushwant Singh. Train to Pakistan is such a heartbreaking story. If you really want to read this story, it really gives you a lot of information about how people went through with the horrifying situation during partition period, right? Okay, and the sixth one is The Ice Candy Man by Babdi Sitwa, and the seventh one, which is the last one, The Shadow Lines by Amida Ghosh. So these are the novels that I have read under partition literature. I hope that if you will read one of these or two of these, it will be really helpful to understand the deeper knowledge, the deeper information that you can get through while reading the story, to understand the partition literature. All right, we'll stop over here for the day. I hope you will find it useful. And if you really like my session for the day, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Please share to your friends who are studying in third year under Bangalore University. Thank you so much.